Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am an insurance agent licensed in California, and in this video I would like to discuss with you about the penalty for not having health insurance. Almost every day I'm being asked this question, and I thought I would record a video on this topic. I will be talking about the penalty in California. If you live in another state, check the individual mandate penalty for not having health insurance if that applies to you in your state. Nationwide, there is currently no federal tax penalty to pay for not having health insurance. There is no longer a federal mandate to have insurance. In California, the penalty will be applied by the California Franchise Tax Board. The penalty was repealed at some point by Trump administration, but then it was reinstated in some of the states. In California, the penalty applies for taxable years 2020, 2021, and beyond. If there will be a change or update in the law, I will make sure to record a new video, so please subscribe if this topic interests you. So the main question is, how much is the penalty for not having health insurance in California? And at the moment, the penalty for not having health insurance is $750 per adult and $350 per child, or 2.5% of your household income, whichever is greater. The California Franchise Tax Board offers a penalty calculator, and you can use the estimate to estimate what you might owe if you are uninsured and don't qualify for an exemption. Don't be fooled by the small percentage. Now, whichever is greater is a tricky one. I had a client a few years ago whose income was $280K per year. He is a contractor here in Silicon Valley, so he did not have health insurance provided by his company and did not have an individual medical plan. He paid the penalty and then called me to get coverage immediately, and here's why. His penalty for previous year was like $7,000 or so. Just to give you an idea, a 30-year-old guy could have bought the cheapest plan available in Santa Clara County for like $200 a month, which is like $2,400 a year or something like that. He would have had insurance and saved big bucks instead of paying the penalty. So my point is, don't be tricked by the 2.5%. It could be quite a lot. And in the case of my client, the penalty was much higher than if he had bought a bronze high deductible plan. This is a prime example that failing to plan basically leads to a plan to fail. Now, here's another news. Because there is a requirement to have insurance coverage in California, there is financial assistance to qualifying individuals and families depending on their household size and income through Covered California. The American Rescue Plan allows many individuals who never qualified for assistance in the past due to high income to qualify now. So take a look at an income limits table to qualify for a subsidy. I have it under this video, or run an estimate on the official website and check if you qualify for any discounts. Now, where there is a requirement, there is also an exemption. So what are the exemptions from the penalty? Some of the exemptions that could be used are general hardship, affordability hardship, religious conscience, and so on. Also, if you had a short coverage gap of 3 consecutive months or less, you may be exempt from the penalty. So that's all about the penalty. Feel free to reach out if you need help with your Covered California application or have a question about the plans, qualifications, and so on. Again, I'm a licensed insurance agent in California. I have contracts with all the insurance companies in the state, including with Covered California, and can help you. If you have a general question, feel free to comment under this video. And thank you everyone for watching, and stay healthy.